Good evening. Today, we're diving into the Meizu Lucky 08 12GB 256GB. A smartphone that's making waves in the mid-range market with its sleek design, powerful performance, and an impressive price tag. Let's take a closer look at why this device is worth your attention. Sleek design with a unique camera setup. The Meizu Lucky 08 impresses right from the start. With its slim design, measuring only 8.6 millimeters thick and weighing 202 grams. The phone features a 2.5D curved edge, making it comfortable to hold and offering a premium feel. The body is made from a high-quality titanium alloy, which not only contributes to its sturdy design, but also helps with effective heat dissipation during high-performance tasks. The standout feature is its starry-inspired rear camera design, which sets it apart from many competitors in the market. The clean and minimalist back panel is stylish, yet modern, ensuring it stands out in the competitive smartphone market. Display smooth 144Hz AMOLED with stunning brightness. The Lucky 08 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring incredibly smooth touch responses, whether you're scrolling through content or gaming. While the display isn't the highest in terms of resolution, it delivers impressive visuals, especially considering its price range. With a peak brightness of 1500 nits, you can easily view content under bright sunlight. Performance powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. Under the hood, the Meizu Lucky 08 is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This setup ensures smooth multitasking, efficient app management, and decent performance for tasks like web browsing, social media, and casual gaming. Games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact run relatively well, although the phone is not targeted at heavy gaming. The 33W fast charging and the 6000 mAh battery offer ample power, easily lasting a full day of usage, even with heavy activity. Flyme AIOS, a simplified experience with AI integration. The Flyme AIOS is a simplified version of Flyme OS, providing a smooth and efficient interface that enhances performance and reduces unnecessary clutter. It integrates a wide range of AI features, such as automatic note-taking from calls, content analysis, image search, and task synchronization, all accessible through a dedicated side button. This feature is designed to increase efficiency and convenience for everyday tasks. Camera capturing crisp details. The Meizu Lucky 08 features a 50 megapixels main camera and a 2 megapixels macro camera. It captures crisp and clear shots in well-lit conditions, making it perfect for quick social media posts. The 8 megapixels front camera provides decent selfies and video calls. However, while the cameras perform well in daylight, low light conditions may impact the image quality slightly. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. With a 6000 mAh battery, the Meizu Lucky 08 delivers long-lasting performance. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming videos, the phone can last throughout the day. The 33W fast charging ensures the device charges up quickly, giving users a fast and efficient way to power up without having to wait too long. Final thoughts. The Meizu Lucky 08 is a standout contender in the mid-range smartphone market. With its attractive design, impressive display, and powerful performance, it delivers excellent value for its price. If you're looking for a smartphone that balances aesthetics, functionality, and performance at an affordable price, the Meizu Lucky 08 is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in getting your hands on it, the Meizu Lucky 08 12GB 256GB is available for $250, original price $270. Stay tuned for more updates on smartphones and tech reviews.